Welcome to Pompeii, day 55 to 57. Oh, Pompeii, another world-famous destination of the world. This historical place of Campania region does not need any introduction, although for the sake of this blog, I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. You can of course find more information in the world of web anyway. Just like everyone else, I myself as well had that question in my head. Why Pompeii is so famous? In short, long time ago, in 17th CE, which means Common Era, Mount Vesuvius erupted, which covered the ancient city of Pompeii with almost 6 meters of ashes and volcanic debris. That's not the crazy part. The eruption was so fast and strong that it killed almost over 16,000 people, and they were buried alive under the lava, including the city itself. When the city was rediscovered in the mid-17th century by archaeologists, the city stayed pretty much exactly same as it was 2,000 years ago. Can you believe that? Thanks, but no thanks, to the volcanic lava of the eruption. There were actual human bodies, animals, fruits, breads, household items, the statues, monuments, writing of the houses all remained almost intact. Simply walking around inside the site of Pompeii is like riding a time machine back in 2000 years ago. We have seen many old monuments and city ruins of Rome and around Europe, but Pompeii is something else. An entire village almost fresh and intact of 79th CE is just extraordinary, surreal. We had to see it with our own eyes, and the trip of famous UNESCO World Heritage Site, it was a marvelous experience. Now, of course, let's take a look at some photos. Following photos are taken with Fuji X-20 edited in SelfiePix Developer Studio Pro with Fuji Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy! I see you at the last stop of Italy, Napoli.